Hi, good morning. Hi, students. How are you? Good morning, Ramya, Bindu, Shri, Namya, Tejashwini, Amina, Rufia, Sweta, Bindu, Prakriti, Leena, Lavanya, Pushmita, Dhriti, Rithya, Rufia. Okay, hi, good morning. I'm good, yeah. How are you all? I hope you're doing well. Okay. So, have you done well? I heard that many of you have done well in the last test. Man, health and disease. Human health and disease. You've done well. Even I've seen your marks and all very good. So keep this up. And those who have done okay, you improve. Those who already done okay, better than that you do. Right? If you have got around for 320, you got some. I think some year got 3, not 2. I think. I don't know. Is that so? I don't know. Anybody nearing 300? Anybody got 290 plus in biology? Yes. Tell me your number. Marks, how much you got in biology? Nearing 300. 290 plus how many of you got? Just write your numbers. How much you got it? Marks. Biology. Yes, ma'am. Andrea. Lakshmi, ಎಷ್ಟು marks? Lakshmi MJ AC. Come on. Romana, how much you got? Okay, I hope you are all doing well. I think many people are doing it. 220 is okay. I'm asking 290 plus. 290 plus you should get. Okay. Still you have to work hard, Lakshmi. You have that ability. People have to do. Say if I say somebody is doing well, you are having ability means I am not discriminating. All of you are doing well. Those who names I remember now because I can't see you in person, no. So I am saying those people whom I remember. Right. Good morning, Zara. Good morning. Yes. So you are able to do well in the test, right? Zoya, you have done well. Okay, good. Good morning. Okay. So I think in the last class we finished all about the immunity. Prakriti, where is Prakriti? Good morning. Nisarga is on time today. 11:29. Good. Nisarga, how much you got in biology? Biology in Prakriti, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ marks? Biology marks 255. I'm expecting 290 plus for all of you. Right? Is there Samyak? Samyak got SL Nisarga birthday. Oh, Nisarga birthday, happy birthday. God bless you with good health. Okay. Now anyway, let's not wish. All of you don't wish. Just let's skip it. Yes, ma'am. I will score next. Okay, good. Okay, let's now Nisarga, how much you got? Marks, biology. Okay, fine. Others, anybody got nearing 290? Tell me, please let me know. 290 ಹತ್ತತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ biology ನೋಡೋಣ. I have seen that mark list. But anyway, let's continue the next chapter. Okay. So immunity has no issue for you. We have done everything in detail, right? Human health andre health and heng maintain ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. Are you involving that health tips in your life? Okay. Are you involving all of them or only writing in examination and falling sick? You are including them in your life. I told you last year also when I used to take classes and all, I used to say you involve some of the things in your life. So that will help you to improve your health. Anyway, you have learned health only and health is any smaller point also you should not leave and follow everything. Right? That is to avoid the mosquitoes, how to do, and to avoid getting infection, how you stop it, and how to develop good health practices and all you have learned, right? That is what is human health and diseases. Yeah. Now we are going to start with a new unit, right? I'm going in sequence. I don't want to skip any sequence in the units because biotechnology I had planned to do, but I don't want to skip this because biotechnology is very interesting. You will learn it anytime. Okay, and moreover, we're doing online classes. Things are going faster actually, right? Compared to the classrooms. Because in classroom, would have seen some person will be looking here and then some will be I'll be scolding them or it takes time. Now we are not doing anything. We are talking subject and it's one to one. It grasps more. You can grasp it better than the class because you can see in the class. Suppose my voice is not reaching last bench. The last bench people will have their own world. Now it's not so. Everybody, if at all you are listening to me, you are putting your earphones. Better you put the earphones and listen. Small, not smaller ones, bigger ones. Earphones. What happens is you will have big concentration. Concentration become more. Don't put the things inside. That will be more hurting your internal ears, right? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, right? So I will start with the strategies for the enhancement of food production. Name of the chapter is very general, it looks, right? So why this we have to do, right? See, imagine the human population. Population is so huge. Do you know till now in India so many people will not have 2-time food? Do you know that? Till now, some of the people are unable to get 2-time food, morning and evening, at least 2 times food. So much of poverty we have. And people who are having food also eating all nonsense food, right? Which is actually no nutrition. They are having nothing in the food, right? Food is without any nutrients. So many times you are saying morning, afternoon, night, so much rice. Only carbs you are having, right? You are not having proper nutrients. Okay, but this chapter is not meant for nutritive food. It is meant for improvement in the food quality and enhancement in its yield. Do you understand this? So the chapter is dealing with, because everybody should be having some food to live, right? But because of the huge population, we are unable to provide the food to everybody. So science come to play an important role here. Scientists must be involved in this and they must improve the food production, nutritive food, good quality of food. Everybody should get it. So plant improvement should happen, animal improvement should happen, because we depend upon both plants and ultimately it is a plant only. We depend on plants only mainly. But animals, mainly those animals which are giving you milk or meat, they need to be improved. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So this is the need now. Right now, it is a need for improving the food quality, food type, right? So we will be learning it under 2 headings. One is animal husbandry, second is plant breeding. 2 things we are doing. Animal husbandry is maintaining the type of animals and producing new varieties for the good milk production or for the meat, or if it is a poultry, it is for the egg and all that. What is the end product? So for the product, you are improving the animal, right? Suppose we have a what do you call it, herd of cow. If the herd of cow is around 20, you are not even getting 20 liters of milk per day. It is waste of growing over there. Are you getting it? You should have that much output also, because you must know that. Okay, animal breeding. We started animal breeding now. First is what kind of animal you want to grow, right? Because animal husbandry, where you grow the animals for the meat and for the milk, if it is a dairy, and in poultry for the egg and meat, and if it is a fish, how to grow and what is the nutrient quality, that one. And if it is the apiculture, the improvement of the honey in it. Okay, all these we have to study. So based on that, we have dairy, poultry, pisciculture, then apiculture. 4 things we are going to learn. Animal husbandry, we are learning 4 types to improve the quality, right? If you think of dairy, milk and meat. If you think of poultry, then it is the egg and meat. If it is a fishery, the type of protein and how to catch them and how to store them. This is apiculture, where to grow the honeybees or where to make, how to extract the honey from them. All the 4 things we are going there. Okay. So let me give you the background of this. Then we are starting with the animal improvement. Okay. So strategies for the improvement of food production is the today's word. Right. So what is that? What are the strategies? So why we have to improve the food production? First thing is, the main thing is the increase in population. Population is increasing. For all of them, it is needed to provide food, good quality of food. This is our aim, right? Aim is to improve your production, right? Agriculture or animal breeding you have to do. So here comes the science. Science play an important role here, where scientists have to change or improve the varieties, whatever we have, so that in the same organism we are going to produce large amount of milk, large amount of meat, because everybody should have food in it for them, for their survival, right? So here, how to provide the food? Food may be a plant-based or it may be an animal-based food. So first we are doing animal husbandry or improvement in animal. Okay, let me use another pen. Animal husbandry is growing the improved varieties of improving the animals. Second comes the plant breeding. Okay. These are 2 things we have to learn about. Right? What is animal husbandry? First we'll do animal husbandry, then we'll do the plant breeding. Okay. Both of them are very important for examination because this is connected directly to the agriculture food. Agriculture, those who want to go to aim for agriculture, a lot of questions come from this. Right? In NEET also a lot of questions come from this. Animal husbandry, it is about the dairy, poultry, pisciculture and apiculture. So under animal husbandry, we are learning 4 fields. First one is the dairy. Second one is poultry. Third one is pisciculture. Fourth one is apiculture. Okay. These are the 4 fields we are going to deal with. Right? So let's begin with the dairy. So dairy is maintaining of the milk producing animals like cattle, then buffaloes, goats, sheep, all, right? That's about the dairy, maintaining all these animals, growing these animals. It's dairy, right? Poultry is growing the egg producing birds for their egg and then for their meat. Pisciculture is growing or first rearing the fishes and how to grow them, how to store them, how to market them. Then apiculture is the field of biology that deals with growing of honeybees, right? So that's about the 4 subjects in this. Okay, so let us begin with each one of them, right? Let's begin with the dairy or whatever it is, animal breeding. I'll start up with the animal husbandry. Animal, how you want to maintain these animals, right? First is animal improvement is required in animal husbandry. What is need right now? How to improve? What is that animal to be improved? First thing, in animal improvement, you require the animals to have production of more milk production from each animal. Second one, they should have more meat in them. A lot of people eat the meat in that. Then third one, nutritive quality should be improved. Quality of the animal should be improved. Then fourth one, they should have more yield. Milk production should be more. Okay, this is how we have to improve. Now come to the cattle, right? We have cow and buffalo. Cow is called biologically Bos indicus. And buffalo, we call it as buffalo. Its name is Bos vivalis. Vivalis. Okay. You grow them for their skin also. So their skin or leather is important. For the cattle, cow, leather is called as kips. And for buffalo, skin is called is buffs. Actually, there is a lot of value for these. Actually, kips and buffs, the buffalo and the leather of the cow is important. But actually, buffalo leather is more important because it is thick and hard. It actually it is more durable than this the cow leather, right? Then apart from that, the hair will be there, no? Hair of the HAIR, hair of the cattle or cow is used in the painting brushes. And next is their horns are there, no? Horns and the cartilaginous tissue is used for the production of a kind of protein, right? They will be using in the protein form, the horns and other things, cartilages, they'll use it for the production of some kind of protein. Okay, so this is about the animal improvement, right? Write some introduction, then we'll go to the details of managing the cow and the buffaloes. Fine, fine, start. Please increase the volume of speakers, ma'am. Using headphones would be better. Alright, it's a big, I have used huge volume only. Volume is high. Now can you hear? Tejashwini Gowda, Sunidhi Pawar. Board is little blurra. Voice is inaudible. How is it now? How is it now? Is it okay? I can see board is proper. I improved some voice. Neeraj is saying board is blurra. Board is not blur. My ink is blur, I think. Can you see enhancement of food production is properly seen? Enhancement of food production is clear. Why? Because it was dark. Now I actually started reducing its strength. The pen is mistake. Yeah, Bosch Taurus also. I'll tell you, first you listen to me, Sanjay. Right? So write the heading, strategies for enhancement of in food production. Write the heading. Okay? Right now. Continuous increase in human population, continuous increase in human population. Continuous increase in human population. Continuous increase in human population. Resulted in shortage of food. Resulted in shortage of food. Continuous increase in human population resulted in shortage of food. The major role of scientists is the major role of scientists is to increase. Major of scientists is to increase the amount and quality of food. Amount and quality of food. By the use of modern technology, by the use of modern technology, comma, hereditary principles, modern technology and hereditary principles, the plants and animals can be improved. The plants and animals can be improved. I repeat, by using modern technology and principles of inheritance, plants and animals can be improved. Animals can be improved. We'll stop. Based on the food obtained, two branches can be studied. Two branches can be studied. First one, animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. Second one, plant breeding. Right, first one, animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. It's a branch of agricultural science. It's a branch of agricultural science concerned with growing and breeding domestic animals. Growing and breeding domestic animals. Written. Domestic animals. Next, right? Major animals that are improved include cattle, birds, fishes, and honeybees. Thus, 4 branches are studied. First one, dairy. Second one, poultry. ಏನಿದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ even poultry can be included? No ma'am. Poultry ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Dairy, poultry. Next, pisciculture. Pisci. Pisciculture. Fourth one, apiculture. 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 Next, right? Animal improvement. Animal improvement. Animals have to be improved for their milk, meat, in case of cattle, next, comma, eggs and meat in case of poultry, next, one below the other, right? Protein content in fish and storage. Storage techniques. Protein content in fish and storage techniques. In case of pisciculture, don't ask me repeat it. I'm giving so many things. Next one. To improve quality of honey, comma, growing honeybees, and extraction of honey from honeycomb. Then okay. Next, right? Next point to write. Animals must be sturdy, disease free, and fertile. Sturdy, disease free, and must be fertile. Are you all writing? Yeah. Fine. Okay, good. Now listen. Listen to me. Next thing I'll give you. Listen, actually we talk about the maintenance of cattle and buffalo and goats, right? That's under dairy. Actually, number of cattle or these all animals, milking animals, buffaloes and cattle, they are so high in number. So in India and China, maximum cattle and buffaloes are there. Right? They grow mainly, not only for milk, meat also, but India mainly grow for cattle, for the milk. Right? Among 335 million population of these cattle, 225 millions are there in India. 225, 227, I think. Yeah, 227. Yeah. 337 total number of cattle population in the world. 227 is both in India and China. So much we have, right? But we stand almost number 2 for the number of cattle, but number 7 for milk production. Means number is more. They are not that productive, right? So the reason for this idea, you see in villages, no? Villages and all where they put the cattle and all, the herd will be there, grown in their house, one big room will be there. All cattle will be moving around. You have seen anybody? Have you seen the small dairy farms in the villages? In their house only they grow, right? Have you seen anybody? Yeah, you have seen. Okay, fine. So have you seen that something wrong with them? Anything wrong you found in that cattle herd growing there? First thing is they leave them outside to feed. Anywhere they go feed, anta illa tinkondo jagalaadkondu barta irtare. Second thing, see, this is a pure agriculture thing I'm talking about, right? Then animals are having no proper light, no cleaning ability, right? Have you seen that? In that area, they'll be all the time, they'll be producing dung and that only they'll be moving around, they'll be happily sleeping. You have seen that? Shed is dirty. Yes. You can make out they'll be very badly maintained. All their head to toe, they will be having full dirt all in their body. The animals. You seen that? Or somebody who bring milk to your house, no, they'll bring one cow and they milk there and give you. Have you seen those people? The whole animal will be having all over body this dung. They will hardly wash properly. Some people may wash it nicely. But even those people who are milking them, no, their mammary glands and teats, they will not clean properly. So immediately after milking, you smell the milk. It will be like how it smells. Yeah, it smells like their dung, right? Therefore, normally we are all going for the dairy, right? They look also dirty, they smell dirty. Yeah, we don't have a concept of hygiene, right? Ayo animals right? We don't mind. They won't anyway complain. They'll be happy in their urine and dirty dung. They'll be happily sleeping, getting up and all. They don't know. But they are not humans. Na? Humans are maintaining. Humans should know how to maintain them. This is what is problematic in India. Indian means not all of them. There are some people who are maintaining very good dairy. And one more thing, why you are studying this is because after PUC through NEET you can go to dairy also, right? Good jobs are available in the after getting dairy. BSc, MSc is there in dairy technology. Okay, they look dirty, they'll be ganda, and that milk will also be smelling badly, right? So all this is not maintaining dairy farm nicely. Okay. Now the thing is, I'll explain you what are the ways by which you can maintain a good dairy farm. Okay, because you have to grow the animals which are healthy, right? First thing is, between the animals there should be some distance. Animals should have some distance between each of them. Then their flooring should not be slippery. You can't put tiles in their homes, right? If at all you put tiles, they will not be able to walk because their foot you are seeing will be a round wooden like. In this kind of area, they will not walk. So it should not be slippery ground, right? Third is, the animals should have a very good platform for their food, right? Food should contain mainly good fodder with more fibers and concentrated contents. Like normally they put the dry hay, right? Hullu, dry hay ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ತಿನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. They need to be fed with the green leaves. Then they should be given with that cake of cotton cake or your what is that, groundnut. After extracting oil or whatever, that those cakes should be fed to them. They are more nutritious, right? And their eating platform, no, they should be common, big it should be, right? And good drinking water should provide them. They will all give that waste water to drink there, right? Even tamarind seed paste is fed. I don't know that. Cotton seed, I've seen that. They're called concentrates. Good. I don't know, Jivika. Good. You have reminded me. If you know anything about that, you can write it. Because I want to know how many of you are interested or how many of you know at least. This is our, nowadays, no, you are seeing all the people because of this corona, they are going to the villages. Now they are going back to the original farms and started working. So it may come at the end of corona, we'll have no jobs and all. We should go back to agriculture now, right? We should start from the scratch. Those people who had left their lands like that, now they are going back. I'm sorry. And they are doing their farm. That is Kheti Badi, we call the agriculture they have started. Okay? So you should know all this because we are anyway stopping the other products and all. Now we have to become Atmanirbharta. You know Atmanirbharta, what is that? You have to be on your own self. You have to depend on your own self things, right? Then the drinking water, I think that whatever left out home water will be there, that they will feed them. Actually, we should have good drinking water. And whenever, as soon they produce their excreta, it should have a slope with which it will collect at one place. Even I am doing farm field. Pratibha, I didn't understand. Even I am doing farm field. I didn't understand what is that. You have a farmer. Pratibha, Carmel student. Where you are doing it? You are in the village now. Are you in village or you are in the Bangalore? You are right now. You are talking from there only. Right now you are there only. Oh, very good, man. I did not know this. I did not know. Okay, good then. Okay, that's nice. Maintain all of them properly then, right? You are doing that. That means you are lucky that you are able to do that, right? Lot of people, we are unable to touch them also, right? And the area for that area, wherever they produce dung, it should have a slope. As soon as it produces dung, it should go down, zip. And from there, they have to collect, and time to time, they have to throw that off. Don't allow it to store there. Okay? And so many people give peeled vegetables. That is okay. Vegetable waste and all you can give. They will eat everything. Don't give them plastic, that's all. I see a lot of people, plastic papers in that, they put vegetables and tightly tie it and throw it. Papa, these animals don't know, they'll be eating that also. You see that? They'll eat along with plastic everything. That's right. Papa, they don't have brains. You people have brains, so you should work properly. Okay. Apart from that, what has to be done is, the animal has to be washed thoroughly using a brush. You have to clean it. Wash time to time with the brush. Clean ಆಗಿ ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಳಿಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ರೈಟ್? ತಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಂಬು ಮಧ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಳಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ the mammary glands, the udder has to be cleaned properly. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಶಾಂಪೂ ತರ ಹಾಕಿ ತೊಳಿಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹಾಕಿ ತೊಳಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ teats, the mammary glands from where the milk is produced, the teats has to be cleaned thoroughly. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then only you can expect that they will be happy. They will also be happy. Now, when you take bath, how happy you will be, the same way they will also be happy, right? Therefore, it is very much required for us to maintain. And also in that area, there should not be small flies and all. These flies and all, Papa, they'll be irritating them. Lot of leeches will be attached to them. Clean them for time to time. If you are taking any work, do it 100%. ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. You should work with them. Okay. Write the heading management of dairy farm. Write the heading. Write the heading first dairy. Dairy, right? Dairy. It is the management of animals that provide milk for human consumption. Dairy andrena, it is the management of animals which provide milk for human consumption. There is Gauri not to be seen. Gauri, are you there? Suddenly she's disappeared. Gauri, where are you? You are not answering anything. How much you got in biology? NEET, last NEET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಗೆ? ಬರೀ biology 305. Just a minute. Only biology got 305 marks, huh? Sri Gauri. Oh, that's great, ma. Out of 320, you got 305. You never told me. You didn't tell me, no? That's a good marks. I was asking from the beginning who got around 300 and all. Nobody was answering. Now you are saying 305. I will check with that because you didn't tell me. Okay, I repeat the last point. Okay. Good, Gauri. What about total ranking for you, Gauri? Total NEET ranking ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? Okay, I repeat. Prakriti, don't know, ma'am. Okay. ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ranking. Okay. Now listen. What I said? Dairy, it is a management of animals which provide milk for human consumption. They will send you. I have got ranking list actually. I got it. You will get it. I'll ask him to post it to you in your group. Okay. Fine. You are getting. I am seeing no. Every time I am seeing your results. You people are not watching at you. It's going to your parental phone, I think. Okay. Next, you write. Dairy animals are cow, buffaloes, goat, sheep, okay. Next, right? Biological name of cattle. First one, Bos indicus for cattle. Buffaloes, Bos bivalus. LIS alla LUS ending. Bos indicus, Bos bivalus LUS. I repeat. Bos indicus BOS. ಆಗಲೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರ. Bos indicus, Bos bivalus. BABALUS. This is BU. Bivalus. LUS. Bos indicus and Bos bivalus. Okay. Next, one more you write. The word cattle includes, the word cattle includes, first one, cow, adult female, put one line, cow, put one dash, adult female. Spelling gotaita Gauri? The word cattle includes, first one, cow. What is cow? Adult female. Put a dash, right? Adult female. Second one, bull, 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 uncastrated adult male. Uncastrated adult male. Castration is what? Do you know what is castration? Prakriti knows. Pratibha don't know. Okay, listen. Castration is the human cell and castration is the cutting and removing of the testes. It's called castration. Castration is the cut and remove, surgical removal of the testes. Correct. Good. Yeah. Hafsha is right. So, what is bull? It is uncastrated male. Castration ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next, bullock. Third one, bullock. 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 It is a castrated adult male. ಆಗಲೇ bull ಎಲ್ಲ uncastrated adult male ಅದು. ಅದು bull is a uncastrated adult male. Bullock is castrated adult male. Actually, they do castration because when they are at the time of releasing of semen, they are very arrogant, very strong. They may hit and kill anybody because they'll be very high. Therefore, they do castration, remove the testes so that they will not irritate others. Okay. Castrated adult males are called bullocks. And steer, S-T-E-R, S-T-E-E-R, steer, young castrated male. Young andre adult alla, chick papu. Young castrated male is called steer, S-T-E-E-R, steer. Next, importance of cattle and buffalo. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಡೈರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಾ, ಬರೀ ಡೈರಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಾ? ಡೈರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಾ, ಬರೀ ಡೈರಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಡೈರಿ. ಡೈರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ, ಡೈರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೈರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರೀ ಡೈರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಫೆಲೋ. Importance of cattle and buffalo. The two are important domestic animals. The two are important domestic animals. And they are major requirements for farmers. Major requirements of farmers. They are used for, first one, they are used for, first one, agricultural operations. Agricultural operations, underline. Cattle are used in, cattle is the very word, cattle is a plural. Cattle are used in agricultural operations like plowing. Agricultural operations like plowing. Plowing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Plowing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? You know plowing. Spelling ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ plowing. Subhash is there? Subhash Katyal. Okay, digging the ground. No, plowing spelling ಬರೀರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Plowing ಬರ್ದಿರ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ. Plowing ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. Ploughing. Plowing. Okay. Plowing. Digging the ground. Okay. Digging the ground ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೂಡೋದು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನೇಗಿಲು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಭೂಮಿ ಸರಳ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಭೂಮಿನ ಹಗುರ ಮಾಡೋದು. Plowing. Next one, comma. Leveling the land. Leveling the land ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಉಬ್ಬು ತಗ್ಗು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Leveling the land, comma, harvesting and thrashing ripe crops. Harvesting and thrashing ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. Harvesting, thrashing the ripe crops. And drawing water from well. Drawing water from well. ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದವೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿದಿರ, ಇದನ್ನ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ನೀರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎತ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? I'll just show you small diagram. I don't know I am able to do it or not properly. I'll show you. Just I'll show you how they do it. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ ವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್ ನೀರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ವೆಲ್. ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರೋಲರ್ ತರ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ರೈಟ್, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹಗ್ಗ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲ್ಲಿ ತರ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಂಬಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನಿಮಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, ಈಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್, ಈ ಕೊಂಬಿದೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬೆನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬಾಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಟ್ ಅದರದ್ದು. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫನ್ನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ, ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ನೀರ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ they'll take it up, down, up. This is how they take the water from the well. Anyway, diagram is looking very funny. Don't laugh at. Anyway, animal is looking very funny. It's looking like one horse. A concentrated drink is made, made of ripened toddy palm. It's not going to be calculated. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣಮ್ಮ ಇದು. Did you understand what I am talking? You don't talk other things. Did you understand what I am saying? ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಎತ್ತುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಚಿತ್ರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ಓಕೆ ಡನ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣಮ್ಮ ಟಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಡಾರ್ಕರ್ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನಾನು ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ಚಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಅದೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಏನಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಪುಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಳಿತಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀರಿನ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಯು ಓಕೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸೀನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ನೀನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೀಡ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಗಾಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ 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 ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ವೇರ್ ವರ್ ಯು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ okay done next you write second one for milk ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು for agricultural operation second one is for the milk cow and buffalo produce milk which is the most essential part of human food Next, transportation. They use no bullock carts and all they use on which they will make one cart. They will attach to it. They will run around. Okay. So all these you have to remember. You board exam bartade. Yene prayojana anta. Okay. Transport. Cattle are used in cart driving. Cart. Cattle are used in cart. C-A-R-T. Cart driving. To transport humans and materials. Bullock carts alla janage odaatare ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ you see people will be on that jhatka bandi and all they'll be sitting and they'll be traveling you see okay to transport humans and materials. Next, manure and fuel. They make manure no from the dung they prepare manure. It's fun now. Yeah, I also traveled. It is really fun, right? Traveling on that bandi. We call it bullock cart. Actually nice. We are making it is funny, but actually it is essential thing for the villagers. Papa, they don't have because machines and all cost more. Fast, they'll be more faster. But for us, it is like a picnic, right? But anyway, you people have to really feel for them. Next, what you have written? Manure and fuel. You know how they prepare manure? Manure is they take the dung and they do gobar gas and all for that. And that is gobar gas for the household work. Then the remaining thing they keep it, they make the hardened and they prepare fertilizers from the compost. Yes, good. Biogas is for our sake. Compost is for the plants. Okay, from the dung. Okay, good. Right on. The dung provided by these cattle is a valuable manure. For maintaining fertility of the soil. It is also used in preparation of biogas or gobar gas. You call gobar gas, no? Because you call it, then we call that as gobar gas. G-O-B-A-R. Gobar gas. Subhash, you also react. You have seen no all these things. आपने देखा ना ये सब आपको भी बताना पड़ेगा जो है उसका आपको क्या याद आता है वो सब लिख लो. गोबर गैस. नेक्स्ट, डंग ಕೇಕ್ಸ್. ಡಂಗ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಡಂಗ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬೆರಣಿ. ಬೆರಣಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬೆರಣಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಟ್ತಾರೆ ಗೋಡೆಗಳಿಗೆ. ಬೆರಣಿ. ಡಂಗ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಡಂಗ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಚೀಪ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್. ಚೀಪ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಲೆಗೆ ಉರಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಚೀಪ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್. चीप फ्यूल. अरे यार डंग आयु एक्स्ट्रीटा ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಂಗ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ. ಡಂಗ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆರಣಿ ತಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ನ ಉರಿದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಸಾಲಿಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಸುಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ರೋಟಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸುಭಾಷ್. they'll make like this and put it right like roti they make. Correct. Next, leather lather alla leather. leather is are yaar what Prakriti, what you want me to say? Okay, I said dung cakes provide cheap fuel. That's all. Ma'am, they will put water and mix with the dung and spread in front of the house. Yeah, they will do that cleaning. ಸಾರಿಸೋದಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಭೂಮಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಡಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ is correct. They'll do that. They will make it nice in festivals and all, and they put rangoli on that. Kushmita is correct. Okay, then next barili. Leather. 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 Hides obtained from these animals. Hides and the skin. Hides obtained from these animals are used in preparation of leather goods. Goods ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಲೆದರ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಲೆದರ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಶೂಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಲೆದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್, ಜಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. Here is used in making clothes of jacket. I don't know. Belts, yeah, belts that prepare. Okay, right on. Leather goods. Skin of the cow is called. What do you call? Cow skin. Agale ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಏನು? Cow skin ಏನಂತಾರೆ? Kips. Very good. KIPS, kips. And skin of buffalo is called buffs. That's good. Kips and buffs. Very good. Next, glue and gelatin. Glue ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಟು, ಗಮ್. Glue and gelatin. Gelatin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅದು. Glue and gelatin. 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 Their bones, horns and hooves. Their bones. Horns ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ horns. Bones, horns and hooves ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಲು, ಫುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Hooves. 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 Their bones, horns and hooves produce a proteinaceous glue. Glue ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಮ್, called gelatin. Gelatin, Gelatin. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಿಲಾಟಿನ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಿಲಾಟಿನ್ ಥಿಕ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ನೋ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Those who are vegetarians have to be very careful, right? They will prepare it from the bones and their hooves and their horns, right? Gelatin is used in jelly, even sugar. ಹೌದು, ಸುಮಾರು ಕಡೆ ಜಿಲಾಟಿನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಿಲಾಟಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ. ಶುಗರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಖುಷಿಯುತ ಅದೊಂದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಹೇರ್ HAIR, ಹೇರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಹೇರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ರಬ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬೋನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೋನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಜಿಲಾಟಿನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೋನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್, ಲಿಖಿತಾ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಹೇರ್, small hairs of cow or cattle is used in making brushes, painting brush or any other brush. Paint brush ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂದಲು made up of. Even they use it squirrel hair also. Squirrel ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, squirrel ಅಳಿಲಿದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Paint brush or any other brush or brush. Next, meat. Meat of cow is called beef. Cow and buffalo is called beef. BEEF, beef. And is used as a major food in many countries. Major food in many countries. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ತಿಂತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೀಫ್ ತಿನ್ನೋರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ I see a lot of people eating beef. Okay, next write the heading dairy management. Dairy management. Dairy management involves, first one, selection of good breeds of farm animals. Dairy management involves, first one, selection of good breeds of farm animals. Next, the animals must be selected based on the quality of milk they produce, and the total yield of milk. Total yield of milk per animal. Total yield of milk per animal. Next, the dairy houses must be provided with. Dairy houses must be provided with good ventilation, comma, non-slippery floor, comma, insect-free environment. Insect-free environment. Insect-free environment. Next, animals must be fed properly. Fed properly with roughage, ROUGHAG, roughage, and concentrates. Roughage and concentrates. Subhash, what is spelling of roughage? What is roughage spelling? Okay, good. Roughage and concentrates. Next, right? Roughage, it includes fodder, hay and straw. Roughage includes fodder, hay and straw. Next, concentrates. Concentrates used in cattle feed. Concentrates used in cattle feed is mixture of substances. Substances which are rich in nutrient content. Cotton seeds, comma, oil seeds and sunflower oil and seeds ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ, comma, oil cakes, cereals like bajra, rice fodder, etc. Rice fodder and pulse fodder. ಅಂದ್ರೆ pulse ದು ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. Pulse fodder, etc. In winter season, cattle must be given with a green fodder. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ, ಹುಲ್ಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ the thick grass. Next, cattle should be given with sufficient amount of water. Sufficient amount of water. Cattle must be given with a sufficient amount of water. Okay, next. Next point, the milking area should be free from accumulation of manure or dung. The milking area should be free from manure or dung. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗಲೀಜಿರಬಾರದು ಅಂತ. Milking should not be done in a dusty area. Milking should not be done in a dusty area. Animal must be washed thoroughly time to time. See, dairy management 5 mark ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Animal must be washed thoroughly time to time. Next, before milking, its udder and teats, teats, teats ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ memory glands ಹಾಲ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Udder ಅಂದ್ರೆ full area. Udder and teats, teats, teats must be cleaned properly. Washed and dried. Cleaned properly, comma, washed and dried. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಉಜ್ಜಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ. I repeat, before milking, the udder, 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 and teats, teats, teats must be cleaned, comma, washed and dried. Washed and dried. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ರೈ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒರೆಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the persons who are handling the milk must be free from disease. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಡವರೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ನೆಗಡಿ, ಜ್ವರ, ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಬಂದಿರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. must be free from disease. Done? Okay, done then. So now I'll give you what are the ways we are going to improve the varieties of these animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅವನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ one of the techniques. Okay, I'll explain you on the board. You just keep watching. After that, I'll give you again details later. Okay. So what is that I told you? Whenever you are going to produce the new varieties, how exactly animal breeding is done? What are the various types of breeding techniques? So animal breeding techniques first, there are various types of breeding. First one is natural one, is called as inbreeding. Second one is called as outbreeding. ಬೇರೆ ಪೆನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇರೆ ಪೆನ್ right. Inbreeding refers to the technique of breeding the cow in the same breed with the ancestors, common ancestors, which are common. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದರದೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವಳನ್ನೇ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್, ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್, allowing them to mate. Both known male and females are left in one area, they will breed on their own. It's called inbreeding. But inbreeding, outbreeding ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಅದನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಇನ್ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಇನ್ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what happens is, you are breeding, suppose the animals, what you get is the characters are maintained, same characters. It's, remember, like how you do it, self pollination tara, same characters are maintained. Okay, maintaining same character ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಳಿ ಚಂದ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 10 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರದನ್ನೇ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಔಟ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, right? To keep with the same character, to maintain the same character, I allow them for self inbreeding. Inbreeding ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ what I can get is, I can get pure lines. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the animals after many generations of inbreeding, they lose their fertility, loss of fertility, they lose their fertile character, fertility, or they become very weak ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ they will undergo inbreeding depression, and they are more susceptible for diseases. ಸುಮಾರು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಶೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. they'll get inbreeding depression and they'll be susceptible to so many diseases. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಬ್ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. But inbreeding is not costly. You need to look after the good breeds or cross them with a lot of money and all. It's not involved. It is all happening very natural. Understood this? This is a very important question to you. What is inbreeding depression? Okay, fine. So write down animal breeding techniques. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? Okay, good. Some of them are already ran away. 115 left. 130 ಇದ್ರು, 150, 15 ಜನ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I don't know what is there in their mind. Okay, write down. For best utilization of the domestic animals, for the best utilization of domestic animals, humans started selecting good varieties. Humans started selecting good varieties and new breeding techniques were evolved. New breeding techniques were evolved. With these techniques, desired characters can be produced. Desired characters can be produced. They include first one inbreeding, second one outbreeding. First one is inbreeding, second one is outbreeding. First side reading rate inbreeding. See, अर्ध जन हो गए बट इधर 15 जन ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತನಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನು? ನೀವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಠ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ನಾನೇನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ 15 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದೇ 15 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನೋ, ಯಾ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು. Okay, fine, write down. Inbreeding, side reading, inbreeding. Okay, done. Write down, inbreeding. It is a process of breeding between closely related individuals. It is a process of breeding between closely related animals of the same breed. Very important, of the same breed, underline me. Of the same breed. Next, right? In this, closely related animals, with common ancestors, I'm sorry, with common ancestors for around 4 to 5 generations, are mated, crossed. 4 to 5 generations are crossed or mated. It involves following techniques. First one, identification of superior male, and superior female, in the same breed. Superior male and superior female in the same breed. Second one, the offsprings produced are assessed for the desirable traits. Assessed for the desirable traits. Next, in next generation, in the same group, superior males and females are identified. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಪ್ರೊಜನಿಲೇನೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. Superior males and females are identified and mated. Okay. Right side heading, the advantages and disadvantages of inbreeding. The advantages and disadvantages of inbreeding. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, outbreeding ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, then we'll continue. See, this chapter is a aram chapter. Anybody can write it. Okay, and scoring also, a lot of questions come from this also. 10 to 15 marks weightage ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದೆ, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Everybody can study, everybody can write this. Understood this? So Subhash and all, you need not too much bother. Molecular biology ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ weightage ಆಗಿದೆ, but NEET ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ technical points. Okay, fine then. So we'll meet again tomorrow with the continuation of inbreeding. You should tell me which heading I stopped. Okay, any advantage and disadvantage of inbreeding ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Okay, right. See you. Bye all of you. Enjoy the day. Bye.